So we should be live now.
Okay. Test, test, test. Okay, yeah. I think everything's looking good. Yeah, welcome guys to our Njakiri of this week. Yeah, so today we'll be looking into the market. The big question we are trying to answer today is if the bull market is over or not. So we will try to pin out some facts and try to analyze it together. Hi, Roland.
Hi Noel. Yes, that's true. It's a question that I've been asking myself. There's a lot of unpredictability right now, so I'm currently just riding the wave, trying to find as much information as possible, and I'm looking forward to sharing this information with you people today.
Yeah, so welcome to our channel, guys. If you are new, try to subscribe, like, and share. And if you are old, then we are together. Thanks for tuning in back. And yeah, so let's go.
Okay, current prices.
Yeah, things look so red. I'm really like, yeah, but this really like is sometimes good. It's sometimes good for us to also see that volatility is in both directions. It's not only going up, but it can also be going down sometimes. But yeah, this front page, although Bitcoin is really like trying to show green there, but if not, many others are really not doing good. No, but
Yes,
yeah, this
yes.
I think yeah, yeah,
I just wanted to say, yeah, Bitcoin is bouncing back as well. 24 hours is been showing net plus. It's a bit promising. It's a silver lining to the dark cloud.
yeah. But maybe when we look the next page, we'll see what was happening. We might then understand the dynamics of the market. You know,
Okay.
uh, so this is what I wanted to. Okay, the market capitalization is really going down, and is incredible. I'm asking myself what's like happening to all this money. We is more than 1 trillion in less
Yes,
than 3 days. Because we peaked at no, the peak. I think we had sometime 2 point something trillion, if
we
I'm not
had
mistaken.
the peak
Yeah,
was 2.5 trillion
yeah.
on the
And now
12th
we
of
are
May,
below one,
10
and
days
now
later.
we are below. So 1 trillion. I don't know where that money has has gone, but yeah. But I think most often people have maybe just shifted the money and they are waiting for the market to stabilize. Maybe there are some that have catch out. I don't know, but like me personally, I really sometimes I when this type of drop when I'm not really like sure, but I'm not getting out of the crypto market, but sometimes I might shift to stable coin to watch. But this is most often when you really can do technical analysis.
Mhm.
But if you can't really do it, the best way is always just to hold, you know. And
Yes.
yeah, but
I
yeah, we are
personally am
seeing the
holding.
market. Yeah.
Yes,
So you
I
see,
personally
there,
am
there are
holding
always
these.
different strategies. The thing is to have your strategy and stick to it,
Mhm.
and know and have a plan. If you are not, if you don't have a plan, it's really terrible to be following news or what people are writing or what we are saying. You should always have your plan and try to like gain confirmation from what people are saying, but not based on what people are saying to just take your decision. And if you scroll down, we this is what I wanted to point out: the Bitcoin dominance. So from this thing, the market dynamics I'm seeing here is people might be selling might be shifting that position into Bitcoin.
Yes.
And this thing like shows the power of Bitcoin in this space. That's the coin, that's the master, and when things are getting bad, because Bitcoin is also going down, but the dominance of Bitcoins is going up because
Yeah.
many other coins we can see that they were more like speculative coins, and so people are not like completely going out, but they're shifting it to Bitcoin to say, okay, we believe more in Bitcoin, just to bring out the point that fundamentals matters when it comes to
Yes.
long term. Short term you can speculate, but fundamentals matters in this thing. I don't know if you have something to add to this Bitcoin dominance chart.
I'm sure the dominance for Dogecoin has gone to zero almost. Just as a little joke. But I personally, I have said it multiple times, I don't hold Bitcoin. Not because I have something personally against Bitcoin. It's just that the profit to be gotten from Bitcoin is far less than that got to be gotten from altcoins. And unfortunately, according to this dominance, is showing that maybe alt season is coming to an end. I don't know if you have heard about the altcoin alt season. It's coming to an end. If the dominance is increasing like this again, I doubt that money is going to flow into altcoins the way it did over the past couple of weeks when coins were going times 10 times 20. Shiba Inu
They,
went by multiple thousands of percent up. But you're
they
right.
put
Just if I may just
yeah,
finish
go
the
on.
point, you're
Yeah,
absolutely right. If you look at the chart, the coins that are making that are dropping the most are those coins which don't have a valid utility. They are just they were meme coins, they were jokes, or they were just coins that popped out of nowhere. And those that had valid utility, yes, they are dropping, but not as low compared to the other coins.
yeah, that's it. Yeah, so that being said, maybe we can scroll and really see those who are doing good, and it's really like funny that there's still some coins pumping 50%.
Yeah, right.
It's I don't really understand what's like going on.
What is this? Let's
Why
see what coin is. I've never heard of idea chain.
the thing is maybe also to look the market capitalization, maybe because there's some
It's
type of cap that
428 million.
is not that small.
Yes.
I mean, need to have a lot of but this type of thing, is difficult to understand. What's like the why is this coin now going up? Why are people buying this coin? And
I think I know personally that H bar is one of those coins that is trying to have a very low footprint with
yeah,
respect to the fact that they're trying to use as little energy as possible, and that was the reason why this whole dip kicked off. Well, not it may be that technical analysis had been showing that, but the time coincided perfectly with Tesla making that announcement, China with its ban, which we're going to talk about in a moment. And so a lot of coins that promised smaller carbon footprints, promised using less energy for transactions, they are the ones that have pumped a little bit or have not lost that much because people are speculating that those coins are going to perform well.
yeah. Yeah, so I mean the list here, I don't think there is okay. The Theta 4, I know about Theta, but if not Voyage, I've heard of Voyage as well. But yeah, maybe if we want to look deep into it, maybe there are some coins that also at a given point they were really at the bottom, you know,
Yes.
and so maybe there is no room anymore to go down. So and now they can just only maybe go up. And
Yeah.
when market is like picking back up, people are always FOMOing in and just buying things. Uh, Yeah, and yeah, so for the losers, yeah, so Polygon, yeah, from the technical analysis, you could see directly. You know, when you are looking at the charts right now, is it has really we have the crossover on the MACD, so showing that market is really for me. This is like a normal correction. Maybe this
Yes.
correction is happening when these price are like dumping, but for me technically there is really a good explanation for this.
Unfortunately, I don't know a coin checkup that well, so I could not find a place to put Mati, but we can do that one later on.
Maybe if you click on trading view, and
Okay.
that's already the trading view.
No, I was not on trading
Yeah,
view. I am on a trading view now. Then
okay.
I can put the
So
indicators.
if you put the indicator, if you take MACD, that's what I'm talking about. There we could
Um,
already foresee this.
I think I put it on multiple times.
Yeah, so there is a
Oh,
minus there where you can.
oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, but technically, there's some stuff you can understand. For me, this is a normal correction we always see
You
for
mean
for a
this
coin
crossover
that
here,
has.
right?
Yeah, yeah. So that crossover crossing the
Mm,
signal
yeah.
line,
Yes.
and so if you also look at the volume, like the green lines are when the volume is still big. When you have now
Yes.
this light green line, it means the selling pressure is like
It's
gaining.
increasing. Yes.
Yeah, so
Yes.
that's already where if you have like a reversal confirmation candle on the chart, then you should now think maybe to sell,
Yes.
to take profit and wait for the dip and buy.
Yeah.
So
But
now we'll have.
let's not go too much into technical
Okay, yeah, to
analysis.
technical, let's stick to the news.
I
So, but
know.
this was just to say that there's some stuff that we can understand, but
Yes.
generally the market is not looking good at the moment. So losers, yeah,
This is recently
yeah.
added. Trending. Trending.
Yeah, so trending, we have this Shiba, the thing is going to zero, and yeah, but I bought this thing just for speculative purpose.
Yeah.
Not really, this type of buying is something you are ready to lose, and I will just keep it. I
Yes.
can't. I just keep it and wait maybe for the next time, and yeah, who knows? But yeah, you see that maybe if you go back a bit upward for the losers, just want to see if there any other. Yeah, you have Shababu. I don't know, but yeah, you have some funny tokens there, and
Yes.
Polygon is there. For me, Polygon is a very good product. So it's not there because of maybe, but technically it was really we could foresee this.
Actually, I think Polygon is here because it pumped during the first dip.
Yeah,
It was
yeah,
still on the upward, so it just had a delayed reaction. Solana is also a good project. I think Solana is also a blockchain which is trying to reduce the carbon footprint, if I am not mistaken.
yeah. I
Yes.
think
I
the
think
the
that was a
so
mistake. I clicked that mistake. Anyways, but
yeah, we can go later into this to look what they're doing. Yeah, so just to come back, we have seen everything is almost down. We are waiting for stability, and now the big question is the bull market over. So if you click there to show this news, I think last week during the news we were talking about the Tesla reaction that triggered also this another dump, and that was not enough. We now also have China this bound, and the the truth is this news, regardless what we are saying, they will always have an impact.
yes,
Regardless of what we are saying, they will always have an impact. Being it true or not, because China banning Bitcoin is not, it's not new. I can't understand how one country will ban the same cryptocurrency more than four times. How is that possible?
Yeah,
How
that,
is
that's
that
it. Yeah,
possible?
that's it in the article. In 2017, China shut down its local cryptocurrency exchanges. And
Yeah,
in
they
2019, they issued a statement. They have been doing this
have
regularly.
been doing this. They have been doing this. They always ban the crypto. I don't know how we don't receive news that okay, the ban has been revoked, but we just receive another news it has been banned. So this shows how this is not serious,
Yeah.
but always have the impact. We are really, people are, it's not easy now. We need a lot of good news for things to really pick up back, you know.
Yes.
And this type of news will only keep on pushing us down. And yeah, but just to say this news is really, for me, it's just, it is having an impact, but it's not. China banning Bitcoin is, we know about this,
Yeah.
it's not something new.
Yeah. It's
Yeah,
like
so
saying
I don't.
water is. It's like saying water is wet. They have been
Yeah.
doing it. They'll continue doing it. Yes.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm also of that opinion. Also, I was hearing in discussions with a couple of friends that technical analysis had been showing that the market would dip. I don't know if it's a case of if it's a case of confirmation bias that we're expecting that the market is going to dip from technical analysis and is going to dip. For me, the time the time range of the announcement and the dip is so close that it's logical that it happened because of that. It could also be a combination of both that the market had been so overbought and people were primed, they were ready to take profit. That the first news article, the first hot article, negative article, just triggered the selling, and once people start selling, the market is going to go into that snowball effect of going down.
Hmm. Yeah, so I think that's the effect. But there are guys that they will always say, "Show me the chart, I will tell you the news."
Yes, exactly.
And for me, sometimes the news is just like to say, "Okay, this thing is going down now, so let's find something to as if you have, there is someone you have knocked down, and now you see go and be punching the person, he's already down. Technically,
Yeah.
we are seeing that the thing is going down, and now we start looking for news to like explain it.
Mhm.
Yeah. But yeah, so to answer the question, if the bull market is over, we will go back to the charts, and we have some interesting facts. People always do a lot of work, and thanks that they're sharing it with the general public. So on this street, we were we were shown that we had such deep in, so if you can click there, maybe, so this 2017, we have this huge deep, and but we bounce back. So that's like maybe the good news, and this happened maybe 372 days. Although for me the time frame don't really matters, because if you now go to this 2021, Roland,
Yes.
yeah, we see that now this is 373 days. We also have this same dip, and so for me, it's just to show that there is a potential of bouncing back and going upward. So it's not as if, okay, this dip means directly bear market. So for me, this is like a bullish sign, just to inform us that yeah, things can go back upward.
Yes, that's true. I personally am still waiting. I mean, I have transferred my funds into into my Binance account to continue doing my dollar cost averaging. So I have the policy that every month I have a fixed amount of money I invest in cryptocurrencies to do dollar cost averaging. Before this, I used to just transfer the money and buy immediately when I noticed a small dip. But now I am just holding the funds I've transferred into Binance to see how the market is going to develop before knowing whether I should buy or I should just hold for now. And everything I am holding now, I am ready to hold it for the long term, for the next 1, 2, 3 years.
Yeah.
So I sleep well at night. I mean, I slept better when my portfolio was green everywhere, but I still sleep well. So
Yeah, I mean, so far the question is, has anything changed from the fundamentals?
yes,
If the answer is if nothing has changed from the fundamentals, then this dip is not nothing else than, I don't know,
a
news
spot.
driven
It's
or
a spot.
normal market correction, market
Yes, yes.
manipulation. We have all these type of things, you know. So if the fundamentals, if the price are going down because Bitcoin was hacked, or there is like double spending, or maybe this or that the fundamentals are not really in place, then okay, there you can say no. I might be seeing a complete drop, you know. But yeah, this can be a manipulation of the market, and is something very normal in.
Actually, I did not want to share that because it sounded very, very, very tinfoil hat like, very conspiracy theory like. But there was a post that was circulating on Twitter about a certain group that the first dip that we had, that a certain group was trying to manipulate the market to get somebody to drop out to get in at a lower entry point. So they wanted to do a coordinated sell effort. I don't know how true it was. And like I said, I'm not really into conspiracy theories, but I can send you the article that you check it out, well, and
Yeah, I
yes.
mean, this thing is not proper to Bitcoin, to crypto. We have the gold market being manipulated, the normal stock market being manipulated. Every market is being manipulated. So that's
Mhm.
why sometimes, if you don't really understand this technical analysis, is is maybe very dangerous for you to be trying to sell and buy. The best
Mhm.
way might be just to hold, you
Yes.
know, because you might sell, and after this manipulation, things kicks off and start going back up high. You FOMO, you buy the top, then things start going back down. The
Yes.
fear, you see sell, and that's how you keep on losing money, you
Mhm.
know. So sometimes you just calm and watch, and yeah. But so there is also another tweet, Roland, if you try to yeah, so yeah, people were looking since 2013, and yeah, we were also seeing that 2013 we also had this type of terrible dip, you know. And things also bounce back. So this is just to show us that middle in the bull market, we can have such deep, really
Yes.
strong, more than 50%. But things can also bounce back. So uh, for me, there have not really been a confirmation of any bear market. I think we really still need like some 3 weeks to see if
Yes.
we are like in a bear market, if we are going into the
Yes.
bear market, you know. But yeah, so that's like my analysis. I don't know what you think about this general. So like the question, how I think we can already like close up the news of today by trying to answer this question. So I don't know what you will say as your general point of view after seeing all this the news that is like triggering this. and also these few tweets that shows that we also had such drops or retracement, or whatever
I
we
am
want to call it.
bullish. I am
You are
still I am still bullish, but I would not advise anybody to buy in the next week. And I would even, as you suggested, wait out or observe keenly in the next 3 weeks how the market develops. But I think we are not yet at the end of the bull run. I think this is just a major dip, which was logical. I mean, we had an astronomical rise from 20,000 or less at the beginning of the year to 60,000. People are going to take profits. There's going to be market manipulation, as you said, and then people are going to fear. There are going to be fraud articles. People will panic and sell. So I think we are still in the bull run, but I am all the same a bit apprehensive. I'm very watchful. I'm very careful, and I check the markets regularly to see how things are progressing.
Okay. Yeah. So as for me, I really, I mean, I can't really say right now. We still need time to have a confirmation if we are in if we are going in a bear market. But whatever the situation is, we should be always happy, because bear market would mean for us enough time to get in, because I know there are many people most often uh especially our audience, we are that are like quite new, and they maybe got in at the maybe top, if this was the top of the bull market and the bear market, this is the best time for you. So it's not even like the time to go out. This is the time that you must be engaged more than ever into
Yes.
the crypto. So both way is good, being the bear market or the if the bull market is still like continuing, because if you can take a look on the charts on this tweet, you can see that even if you are holding since then, after any drop, we still keep on going up. So when Roland is also saying bullish, I think it makes sense when you look this thing. If you are looking it in a 1 day time frame, you might not understand. If you are looking it in a 1 month time frame, you might not understand. But in general, me also I'm bullish on crypto for the
Yeah.
moment.
Yeah, you're right. If I can just add to that, the bear market is an opportunity for me to increase my backs for the long term. So I can buy things now that I know that the value is going to quadruple over the next 2 3 years. I am ready to make that investment. So I'm not planning on leaving the cryptocurrency space. Dollar cost averaging, and dollar cost averaging means that I have the prime opportunity now to have the best entry point.
Yeah. Okay. So that's being said, guys, we'll keep focus. We look and we stay calm. Yeah. So if you have made it so far, don't forget to click the like button, share the news, and we'll come to you back as soon as there is something hot to share with you guys. So nice, Roland, and good evening. And yeah, we say see you next time.
Bye.